Welcome back, dear viewers. So in the last session we had solved example number 7 of practice set 1.1. So we are dealing with lesson number 1, linear equation in two variables of mathematics part 1, that is algebra of standard 10 SSC board. So now we are going to solve practice set 1.1 example number 8, that is the final example in this exercise. So let me write down the example quickly. Example number 8 is 49x minus 57y is equal to 172, and the other equation is 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. So as we saw in the earlier example number 7, what I told you that whenever you see such kind of equation which is having coefficients arranged diagonally, 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. This will be our equation number 1 and this will be our equation number 2. So you can see here 49, here in the first equation it is the coefficient of variable x, and in the second equation it is the coefficient of variable y. Also you can see here, if you carefully observe, 57 is the coefficient of y in equation number 1 and 57 is also the coefficient of x in equation number 2. So in such cases, as I have told you earlier, that whenever you find such an example, so you simply have to add the equation one time and subtract the equation one time. So what we will do here, we will add equation 1 and equation 2. So I will write down both the equation below here. 49x minus 57y is equal to 172, and below that I will write 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. We will add both this equation. So after adding, what we will get? 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 carried. 5, 4, 9 plus 1, 10. So this will become 106x minus minus, both the signs are same, so addition. 57 plus 49 is what? 106y, and both the signs are same, so it will carry common sign. So this will be also minus, is equal to 2 plus 2 is what? 4. 7 plus 5 is what? 12. 1 carried. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. It is 424. So what you will do now? We have to see this 106. What we can do? We can divide throughout this equation by 106 in order to simplify the equation. So next step is divide the above equation by 106 throughout. So we will get 106x divided by 106 minus 106y divided by 106 is equal to 424 divided by 106. So 106 ones are, 106 ones are. This will be cancelled. 1s are ones are 106 ones are 106 ones are. So here you can see 6, here you can see 24. So simply what you will do, when does 24 comes in 6 table, 6 fours is 24. So we got the hint. Okay, so 106 fours are. So let us see what is 106 fours are. So 106 fours are, 4 6 are 24, 2 4 ones are 4. So it is 106 ones are 106 fours are. So our equation becomes x minus y is equal to 4. So first equation we got x minus y is equal to 4. This will be your equation number 3. And as I told you earlier that after doing addition, what we will do? We will do subtraction of equation 1 and 2. So I will subtract 1 from 2. So I will write here equation 2 minus equation 1. So what is equation 2? That is 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Below that I am going to write first equation, that is 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. So you have to do subtraction. So do your minus, all the signs will change. This will become minus, this will become plus, this will become minus. Do subtraction. 57 minus 49, how much? 8. X 57 minus 49, how much? Opposite sign, subtraction. Again it will be 8. Y 57 is greater, so it will carry a positive sign. 252 minus 172, what you will get? 2 minus 2, 0. This will become 1, this will become 15. 15 minus 7 is what? 8. And 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So 80. So we got the equation 8x plus 8y is equal to 80. Now observe it carefully. What do you find common? 8. So divide throughout this equation by 8. Next step will be divide the above equation by 8 throughout. So it will be 8x upon 8 plus 8y upon 8 is equal to 80 upon 8. 8 gets cancelled. 8 ones are 8 ones are. 8 gets cancelled. 8 ones are 8 ones are. 8 ones are and 8 tens are. So what do we get? X plus y is equal to 10. So we got our fourth equation as x plus y is equal to 10. This is your equation number 4. Now as you get the equation 3 and equation 4, what we will do here, we can see here y is having what? Y is negative, here y is positive. So simply add this both equation 3 and 4. You will get one value. So what we will do? Adding equation 3 and equation 4. So x minus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 10. Now we will eliminate y. So add this both equation. X plus x, 2x, y plus y minus y plus y gets cancelled is equal to 4 plus 10 is what? 14. So we got 2x is equal to 14. Now transfer this 2 on that side, it will go in denominator as it is in multiplication on the LHS. So x is equal to 14 upon 2. 2 ones are, 2 sevens are. X is equal to 7. So this is your first value. Now after getting the first value of x is equal to 7, you can put this value in either equation number 3 or equation number 4. Whichever you find it easier for calculation, you can put the value of x in that equation. So let me put this in equation number 4. So irrespective of where you put the value of x, you are going to get the same answer of y. So I will put this equation, put x is equal to 7 in equation 4. So that is x plus y. X plus y is equal to 10. So this will be what? 7 plus y is equal to 10. This will go on that side. Y is equal to 10 minus 7. We get y is equal to 3. So this is your final answer. So you are having the solution. What is the solution? We get the solution as the solution for the above given equation is x is 7, that is 7 comma y is 3, 7 comma 3. So that's all for today. We have solved practice set 1.1, example 1 and example 2. In that all the 8 examples we had solved. So in the next session we will solve exercise 1.2. Thank you.